Today I'm going to show you how to find the IP address of your computer on your LAN, and then of your router, and then also of what your computer's IP address is on the internet. So first what you're going to do is go down to your start button, and here just type in CMD, and that brings you to your command prompt. If you're in Windows XP, then you have to click on Run, and then you type in CMD. But in Windows 7 you can just click it there, and it'll show up here. IP config. So IPCONFIG. And then you just hit enter. And then up here, your IP address is going to be the very first entry where it has all these bunch of numbers on the side. You can see that I typed it right there, and then it's right here is the data you want to look at. Your address is this one that says IPv4 address. That is your IP address on your network right there. So like mine is 192.168.1.107. And then the other number that you are worried about is this default gateway number. This 192.168.1.1. That's the address of your router. So if you wanted to go into it and reprogram it to have a password or anything like that, then that's the IP address that you would type into your web browser to get to it.